going to, at 9:30, start baking a cake.
And why are you baking a cake?
I want to nail it. But not the cake.
You might want to explain what Nail It is.
That's a show where amateur bakers try to bake these cakes that are like these really fancy cakes. I'm not doing anything anywhere near as fancy as they're asked to do on the show.
But that's
I'm doing a simple cake.
But that's what inspired you.
Inspired me, yeah. I'm doing stuff tonight I have never done before with a cake.
So you're going to make a 4th of July cake?
First of all, I'm making a cake. That I've only done once or twice in my life. But we're going to have colors. We're going to have fondant.
We think.
We'll have fondant. And this is all for a barbecue that we're going to tomorrow. So I got nothing fancy. I just bought regular old cake mix. The Betty Crocker Delights Super Moist French Vanilla.
Okay.
And
don't worry, I'm not going to video you through the whole process, but we will be videoing the end result, whether you nail it or not.
And spots here and there, I'm sure. So, right now I am...
Okay. I don't think anyone wants to see you pour oil, so I'm going to cut it out.
Okay, bye. So, I am mixed my cake batter, left out an important ingredient, the water. It was very, very thick, and then I read the box, and I have them colored, so I got my red batter.
Oh, did you grease and flour the pans?
I did both. I greased.
Good.
I sprayed them.
If there's one thing we have learned from Nailed It, it's that you must grease and flour your pans. You also put your cakes in the oven before you start doing anything else.
Yes, cakes first.
What else did we learn? Oh, yeah. Do not ever try to frost a warm cake.
Warm cake, so they gotta cool.
And if you had a blaster freezer, you could use it, but you don't.
We don't. So we'll see. I just let them sit and cool. First of all, the box says to let them cool 10 minutes before you even take them out of the pan. And then let them fully cool before frosting. Okay.
Anything else?
No, that's about it.
Okay. What you doing now, babe?
Now I'm working on my buttercream. This is going to be, from what we found out, not just a nice icing to put on top, which we're not doing on this particular cake, but it's also used in between the layers to give it some moistness, and on the outside to help the fondant adhere to the cake.
And what else did we learn about mixing it from watching Nailed It?
I have no idea.
That you don't want to mix it too fast, and you want to mix it a long time.
Okay. I'm just following the directions I got here.
Okay. Well, I'm pretty sure I remember them saying that you should mix it for a long time, but not on the highest speed.
It would also be nice to have a stand mixer.
I was going to say, that's what they did. They told people to put it in their stand mixer and just keep letting it go, let it go, so that it gets nice and fluffy. Anything else at this step I need to know?
That's it at this stage.
All right. Pretty intense colors. All right. Where are we now?
Okay. The cakes have just come out of the oven. So we got our 3 cakes. And because there was an extra half of a batch, I made a whole bunch of cupcakes right there.
Yay.
Also, I've finished whipping up the buttercream. You gave it your stamp of approval, but
it did taste
buttercream.
Good. It looks looks like cream cheese now.
Now, what I don't know is, well, that's what it looked like.
Okay.
I might have to whip up some more for the cupcakes. I don't know, but cake comes first.
Okay.
I'm going to need to.
This blue one looks very lumpy. I guess it doesn't matter. I hope.
It's just air pockets.
Okay.
Once again, when it's in the stomach, it all looks the same.
And it's funny, on this video it looks pink, but it's actually very red. Okay, Terrence, where are we in the process now?
We are ready to take the cakes out of the pans.
Okay.
On the show Nailed It, this is usually a big deal because so many times it sticks. So we're hoping it doesn't stick. We're hoping that...
1.
Good?
Okay. 2, and it is a red cake, not pink.
Yay!
Yay!
There's a little bit of sticking, but
That's good. Don't just leave that there.
These are also very old pans, so the fact that they're working at all is a merry cow.
What is a merry cow?
It's a Christmas cow.
Are you serious?
Okay.
Wait.
This one's having a little bit more difficulty. I am going to try to get under it a little bit with the fork.
Uh-oh.
This always goes well.
Yeah, well.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Oh yeah, there it goes. No, it's good. It's all good. It's all good.
Let's try not to get the spick and span on any of these cakes.
Ta-da!
Yay!
I know what I'm doing.
Nailed it.
Cake tastes good.
I got the first layer of fondant on. I'm putting red at the bottom.
Okay.
I'm about to put a layer of white around it.
Okay.
So I've rolled it out, and I've done some contouring to it.
Okay.
Oh, that's thick in the middle there. Oh well. So
I'm scared for you.
this one I'm going to kind of put about there and wrap it over the top so that it sticks. That's very thick in the middle there. Oh well.
Be careful, it's about to fall off on your side.
No, it's good.
Nope. Okay. I was thought you meant it was going to be good if it fell off.
It's fine. Plop.
What is the pink stuff on top?
That's just the cake.
That's just the cake with
Oh, okay.
the buttercream on it.
Okay, so the bottom layer is the light layer.
Yeah.
Just so you know, on this side,
Yeah.
it needs to go a little lower, I think.
Wait. Actually, I need to tear this off.
You might want to come around on this side so you can see.
Okay, hold on. Actually, this is the side where it all meets.
Okay, come around so you can see it.
You could have just turned it too. But...
Yeah. Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay. Okay, so now we have all the fondant on the cake. I'm just getting ready to put some stars on the top, and then we will be done. It actually looks a lot better than I thought it was.
It looks great, honey. You're doing a great job. What's the measuring tape in the back for?
Well, I was measuring how wide I needed to make the fondant, how high and everything, so I made sure that I made the fondant strips the right size.
Math. Hey, babe. How'd it go?
Good. So this is what we ended up with. This is our 4th of July cake.
Woohoo!
Took
almost
about 2 hours.
I did the first video at 9:30.
Right, and I actually finished the cake closer to around 11:30. I've been cleaning for 20 minutes or so.
Okay.
Anyway, okay. Maybe it took 2 hours and 15 minutes, but still, this is what we got.
Mm-hmm.
And I think 2 words describe it. Nailed it!
It looks great, honey.
It does. My stars are a little bit
wonky.
pathetic.
Don't mess with it.
But
it looks good. Don't mess with it. You don't want to mess it up. I'm very proud of you.
Of course, we're not going to taste it now. That'll be tomorrow night. So, we are at our 4th of July barbecue. We're ready to cut the cake. See how this actually turned out. I don't know how big to cut these pieces, but...
Big.
Mitch says big.
Big, okay.
Mitch, do you want to be the guinea pig? Ooh, nice. That's pretty.
Okay.
That's beautiful.
So-
I'm so impressed.
So now all that matters is how it tastes.
Okay.
Have a fork?
Okay.
Alright, here we go. If it's bad, it's Betty Crocker.
Is it good? Yay! You have the Midge seal of approval. All right. Yay! Success.